Look at now, open your textbook, page number 32, class 9 physics. Okay. Today we are learning about the concept of Newton first law of motion. Newton first law of motion. Newton first law. The first law of motion can be stated as follows. Every object will remain at rest or in a state of uniform motion unless compelled to change its state by the action of the net force. What does this statement indicate? Whenever we are applying any force to the selected object, the position of this object will be changes. Whenever we are applying some amount of energy to move this object, definitely the position of the object will be keep on changes. For example, pushing a book. As you are being placed a book on the surface of the ground. First of all, the position of the book is at rest position, right? Rest position. But in the second case, initially I am applying a little bit of force on the surface of the book. Here one of the person is applying force. Ultimately what happens? The position of the book begins to change its position. Okay, that is the meaning of the Newton first law. Until we apply the force, object remains at rest position. మీరు ఎలాంటి ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేయలేదనుకోండి, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కాన్స్టెంట్గా ఆ యొక్క పొజిషన్లోనే ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. దానికి మూమెంట్ అనేది ఉండదు. ఒకవేళ ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేసినట్టయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యొక్క పొజిషన్ అనేది మారడం జరుగుతుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ న్యూటన్ ఫస్ట్ లా ఆఫ్ మోషన్. ఇట్ either remains at rest or moves in a straight line with constant speed. Always remember that if you are applying some amount of force to the selected object, it travels in straight line. So as you are applying the energy or force to this object travels in straight line with constant speed. But after moving to a certain distance, object begins to be stopped because of frictional force. Okay. That is uniform motion. It either remains at rest or moves in a straight line with constant speed. That is referred as what comes under uniform motion. What is other statement for uniform motion? In a given time interval, object will reach the destination point. Okay. For example, I have given 1 hour of time. Within exact time interval, object will reach the destination point. This is also one more definition for uniform motion. In this uniform motion, you will get a graph, straight line, that is linear graph. You will get the graph as a linear. On the surface of the x-axis, we must take it as a distance. On y-axis, we must take it as a time taken. Okay. Next, page number 33. Here we have the activity 1. Observing the motion of a coin kept on a thick paper. So, let us see the procedure of this activity 1, which comes under Newton first law of motion experiment. Take a thick paper and keep it on a glass tumbler. So, what we have to select here? We have to select a glass tumbler. We have to select a glass tumbler. Select a glass tumbler. Next, take a thick paper, keep it on a glass tumbler. After selecting this glass tumbler, try to place a thick paper on the surface of the glass tumbler. This is thick paper. Where we have been placed? We have been placed on the surface of the glass tumbler. Now take a coin and keep it on the center of the paper. So you have to select a coin and try to place this coin at the midmost point. On the surface of the paper, you have to place what? Coin. Okay. Where the center of gravity is present. Push the paper with your finger as fast as you can. Now try to drag this paper as early as possible, as fast as you can. ఎంత అయితే వీలైతుందో అంత ఫాస్ట్గా మనము ఆ యొక్క పేపర్ని డ్రాగ్ చేయాలి. As you are dragging this paper, what happens? What do you observe? The coin begins to fall inside the glass tumbler. When you are dragging this coin, when you are dragging this paper, what happens? The position of the coin will be changes and the coin may fall inside the glass tumbler because of gravitational force. What happens to the coin now? The coin may fall inside the glass tumbler. So this is due to because of what? Because of gravitational force. And similarly, here we can observe that whenever you are applying force to the object, then only the position of the coin begins to be changes. Okay, if you are not applying any force to this paper, what happens? The paper, coin and the tumbler remains at rest position. This is the concept of Newton's first law of motion. Is it clear? Fast pushing of paper kept on a glass tumbler. So you can able to see here the picture also. How the person is applying force to the paper. Whenever he is applying the force, the position of the coin will be changes. So in the second case, repeat. Try to take one more glass tumbler and place a thick paper on the surface of the glass tumbler. Next, you have to select a coin and place it on the surface of the paper. Now, in this case, you should not apply any force. That means, don't drag the paper. You should not drag the paper. What happens? The paper will be remains constant. The coin also begins to be stay constant at rest position. This is the concept of Newton's first law of motion. Is it clear, children?